Hello, Sunny. Good morning. Hello, Sunny. Hello, can you hear me well?
Hello, teacher.
Yes, there you are. Sorry to keep you waiting. How's the weather in your place right now, Sunny?
It's rainy. It's
Rainy.
rainy.
Oh, it's the opposite here. It is very sunny in my place. Have you taken a shower already?
No.
Not yet. All right. So, when do you usually take a shower?
I usually take showers in the evening.
Ah, yes, I forgot about that one. Yeah, most Vietnamese would take a shower at night, right? All right. So here in our place, we would take a shower in the morning. Then at night, we will just take a half body shower. We don't wash our hair at night. We just wash our body and face. Yes. So anyway, how are you, Sunny?
I'm good. Um,
Very good. Have you eaten breakfast yet?
yes, I just eat my breakfast. And what about you?
I
Have,
I also had my breakfast already. I in the morning I woke up so early. I went for a jog. I did my laundry. I had
and what do you
breakfast.
have on breakfast? What do you have on breakfast?
Oh, I had corned beef, potato, and rice. What about you, Sunny?
Um, in my breakfast, I have spaghetti and egg.
Oh wow, that's really great. Oh, that makes me crave for spaghetti. All right. Anyway, Sunny, for today, we are now here in unit, what's this? Movers 2, speaking test 2, but part 3. Okay, so here in part 3, it is all about odd one out. So that means you're going to take away the picture that doesn't belong to the group, and you have to state the reason why you chose this picture. So here it is, Sunny.
I can see a lemon, a pineapple, a book, and an orange. Picture 3 doesn't belong to the group because picture 1, picture 2, and picture 4 there are fruits. They are not a thing. I can
Very
see
good.
the boy is running towards the house. I can see the girl is dancing like and and they are dancing around the party. Some of the boys and girls are continue to play and dances like a jokes. Picture, mm, picture one doesn't belong to the group because picture two, picture three, and picture four they are dancing, dance and dance. I can see a ice cream, a a a
Milkshake.
music, uh what's this? It don't
I
look
think it's
like
an egg.
something. Air and noodles. Picture picture two doesn't belong to the group because picture one, picture two, picture three, they are eating. They are a thing to eat. They are not a thing to drink.
Nice.
Oh, mm, I never seen this before. Hmm, what
Oh,
is it?
that one is what we call a CD, or that is the short term for compact disc. You've never seen this
This
one before, Sunny, because you belong in the new generation. In the older generation, we use CD, okay, so that
ah,
we can
in my
watch
opinion, I
movies, we
also
can
use
play some
that,
music,
but
we
I
can
don't
listen to
know in
music.
English.
Ah,
In
all
my
right.
opinion, it's have.
All right.
I can see a city, a desk, a square picture. I can see a plant, clock picture, maybe picture 3 doesn't belong to the group because picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, they are a round thing. They're not a square thing.
That's right. Very good. Wow. Great, Sunny,
Good,
because y- you
good,
actually
good.
chose all the pictures in here that do not belong to the group. And all your answers are, of course, correct. Great. Okay. So
One,
this
two,
one is
three,
a
four.
compact disc. And this one doesn't belong to the group because the shape of
Now,
this one is. Oh, by the way, what is
square.
this? Is this a mirror?
No, cannot
What
see.
do you think it is?
It's a square white picture.
Oh, probably this is just a mirror like that. Okay,
But
so the
it's
mirror doesn't
not
belong.
look. It's not look like a mirror.
It doesn't look like a mirror. Oh, we can also say that this is just a picture with no picture at all. Like that. All right, so yeah, this one doesn't belong to the group because it is shaped. Then the rest are circle. All right. So now let's move on with part 4. Let's talk about your English lessons. Do you still learn English from school, Sunny?
Um, yeah, but I
Oh,
don't
very
go to
good.
school.
Yeah, because it's your summer vacation right now. Okay.
No, no. I said on Mondays. On Monday, I will start the school.
Oh, wow. Are you excited to go back to school next week?
Not really. I don't think I will be excited because it was a big. We have a vacation now, but why I have to go to school on Mondays? I hate go to school, and I have to at home, not go to school. Hmm.
Oh, maybe for now you won't understand the purpose of going to school, but one day when you
No.
become an adult, you will understand why your parents
Hmm.
send you to school. And you know what, Sunny? It's very important to go to school so that you will learn things.
It's
You will
very
learn about the
boring.
world, you will learn about many
Yeah,
things,
but
and we
there are
Mhm.
many subjects, and I don't want to be tired, and I don't want to school because it's tired to me. Because there are
Yes, that
many
is
subjects.
Yeah, that is actually a normal feeling of a student. Yeah, so do good, go to school every day. Then, once you finish your school, especially when you go to the university, you won't be going to school anymore, but you'll be going to work, just like your mom and dad. Yes.
Oh,
Okay. Then, you know what, Sunny? Like one day when you become an adult, you'll be like, oh, I thank my parents because they send me to a good school. Then that way you will have your own family. Then you will be the one to send
hmm,
your children one day to school. This is how it
that
is,
is
Sunny. Yeah. Do you want to be rich in the future?
be rich.
Yeah. Do you
Hmm.
want to have plenty of money in the future?
But why I have to be money? I don't want have to be money. I'm a people. I don't have money.
No. Yeah, like people have money. Me, your mom, your dad, we all have money. We have money to buy food, we have money to buy your headset, we have money to buy you
When
clothes, toys, like that. Yes. So my question is, do you want to have money? Yes or no?
maybe think.
Oh, you know what? Like I don't know how to say it, but
Yeah,
go going to school is the key for you to succeed in your life.
Oh,
like that.
last last
What?
time my school stress but I was learning English and I at internet. I used I study at internet and now I have only that. Hmm. But this looks like I don't have money, but I have to studying so much and I only have 100, 100 at the class and 200 for something.
Mm, all right.
Maybe.
Okay. Yeah, so thank you for sharing that one, Sunny. But you know what? You should be grateful because there are other children who really want to go to school. However, their parents don't send them to go to school because their parents cannot afford for the children to go to school. So you are blessed and lucky because your parents will send you to a good school. Anyway,
And
okay,
now I
let's
have
talk about. Mhm.
$300.
Wow, that's a lot of money. So see, you're still a student, but you have a money. How much more when you become an adult and you have your own work? You can travel, you can buy whatever you want. Yes, so that's gonna be a very
Uh,
nice life. You can buy
the
your own
thing that
house, you can buy your own car, like that.
can I buy some iPhone when I was adult?
Yes, of course, you can buy your own iPhone. What iPhone do you want? Right now, we have like iPhone 17 Pro Max, right? So in the future, maybe in your generation, it's gonna be
I
iPhone
I want
30 Pro Max.
iPhone pink one. Pink. I love pink, so I prefer a pink iPhone.
Yes, yeah, there are many colors of
Maybe
iPhone. So
I choose two iPhones. One iPhone is pink and one iPhone is white. I
yes, all right. But that is why you have to go to school so that you have the money to afford the things that you want to buy when you become an adult. Because when you become an adult, just like me, you won't ask for money from your parents anymore. You have to provide for your own self. Yeah.
yeah.
Anyway, Sunny, let's talk about your English lesson at school. Okay, so how many hours do you learn English at school?
Whoa, I also love to have a English lesson. So I I have 1 hour to have
Wow.
a English lesson.
Wow, great. Okay, so what day do you have your English lessons?
Mm, on Monday, on Wednesdays, on on Wednesday.
Very good. Okay, what do you learn in English?
I don't. It's very easy for me, so I just listen and said to the teacher. It's just an easy question.
Oh, so it will actually practice your speaking skill, right? Just like what we're doing. So same thing with me, just talking and talking, right?
Yeah, it's
Ah, so
very
it's very
easy.
easy. Yeah, so easy. So where do you have your English lesson, Sunny?
I was in the school.
Ah, so you can say, I I have
Learn
my English
English
lessons at school.
lesson at school. But on
Ye-
but in the English class.
Yes. All right. So you know what? There are actually so many things that we can learn in English. Just like if you can remember our lessons last year, we learned about prepositions. Can you still remember that?
Yeah.
Yes, just like on, in, under, above, below, next to, behind, right? Do
Yeah.
you remember that one? Great. Okay. Then you also learn many vocabularies. So what are the vocabularies that you learn from school, Sunny?
I learned about many easy questions and some of the sentences. Maybe some animals. Like what do you do when it's autumn? What do
Very
you
good.
um maybe what is your favorite food and and something more.
Y- Yes, very
I
good
don't.
because you learn about the animals' English terms. So that's actually a vocabulary
Oh,
when it comes to animals. Then
it's
you also mentioned
easy
about
for
the
me.
autumn.
Wow.
So that is a season. So how many seasons do we have in a year, Sunny?
Um. Uh. Let me. I have to think.
We have
Four
summer.
seasons.
Four, very good. So what are those?
Those are spring, summer, fall, fall. No. One
Yes, there you go. Fall and
fall. Um, Summer. No.
you are right, actually. Summer, spring, fall, and what do you call the last season where you can build the snowman?
Ah. Winter. But
Very
I
good.
don't
So
have
those
a
are,
cold weather because I,
mm,
in my opinion, there are Chinese ice, and I love to touch the ice, the first snow.
yes, like not all countries experience winter season. So Vietnam and Philippines do not experience winter season. However, there are some places in Vietnam where they actually experience winter. It's just
Wow,
that in your place,
wow,
there's no winter. I think that's south in Vietnam. I'm not that sure. Yeah, but I've heard that there
try
is
South
actually a place
Vietnam.
in Vietnam that experience winter. Hold on, let me
Oh,
check.
I love to be. I was in Vietnam, and why I don't see the snow? Hmm, they will be argue.
Yeah, hold on because I'm going to research about it, Sunny. Oh, actually, in the northern parts of Vietnam.
North, um,
North in Vietnam. Is that true?
um, yeah, but in Hải Phòng ra is 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 not of Vietnam.
Oh, do you know about Sapa, like Lao Cai province?
So I don't heard of them.
Yeah, because according to the internet, there is a famous mountain town which is called Sapa, where the temperature can actually drop into 0 degrees Celsius. So whenever that the temperature will drop into 0 degrees Celsius, then that means it snows occasionally. Not all the time.
Oh,
It's just that there are seasons that it snows
ah,
there.
it has snow on. No, this one. Write it on here. In Vietnamese, I just said it's on not so. So I think I will write the Pash Vietnamese not
Like
because
this one. I'm gonna write it for you here. Lao Cai. Lao Cai province, like that.
à Lào Cai à? Ờ,
Oh, I
wow.
don't know how to say it, or I don't know how to read it in
À,
Vietnamese.
it's other squad. Um,
Yes. So they call that one Sapa. SAPA, like that. So according to the internet, it snows there occasionally, like that. Okay, so where do you
Hey,
live,
Vietnamese.
Sunny? Do you live in Ho Chi Minh City?
No, I live um in in Haiphong City.
Oh, is that in central or southern Vietnam?
Um, I don't know. I'm just
It's all right.
living.
Oh, what is the name of your city? Can you please write it on the screen? Let me see. What are the seasons there?
Um, when it's winter, it don't have any snow, but it's very cold. Only that.
Ah, all right. So I think yours, yeah, of course, your city do not experience winter, only dry and rainy seasons, right? So there are only two
Yeah.
seasons, dry and rainy. So nowadays, it's rainy season. Same thing here in my place. Actually, like the whole part of the Philippines do not experience winter. We only have two seasons, dry and rainy. Okay. So
Yeah.
thank you so much for um thank you so much for answering my questions here in part 4, Sunny. So as a reward, I'm gonna give you 5 stars for that. Okay, so we are finally done with this unit. Now let us move on
Oh.
with unit movers 2. Speaking movers 2, test 3. So I want you to look at the part 1 here, Sunny. So there are two pictures. Okay, so this is very easy. Circle the differences first, then tell me about it. You can do it, Sunny.
Oh, okay. In picture one, the boy is wearing a blue shirt. But in picture two, he is wearing a red shirt. In picture one, I can see the rainbow outside the window. But in picture two, there aren't any rainbows outside the window. In picture one, I can see in picture one, there is a comic books on the bookcase, but the picture cup cupboard. But the picture two, I I can see the fan is on the cupboard.
Right.
In picture one, the woman's hair is very curly, but in picture two, her hair is not curly. They are straight.
Very good. Anything
Maybe
else?
maybe
There's
something.
another one.
Something? Mm,
What
I
is
need
on the table?
a table. Ah, in picture one, there are two cups of waters on the table. But in picture two, there are some round cups are on the table.
Yes. All right. So thank you so much for finding the differences in here. So actually, you found all the differences. So that is 5 star. However, Sunny, with the last one, this one, you can just say there are two glasses of water. Then
Glasses
in
of
picture,
water.
yes, because this is what a glasses look like. A glass look like. And we use
Yeah.
glass whenever we drink some juice, some water, something that is not hot. And with this certain cups, okay, these are cups. We use them when we have a tea, when we have some tea or coffee or milk. Yes, or even just some soup. We use the cup
Ah.
whenever we drink something that is hot.
Mm,
Yes. All right. So let's
yeah.
talk about the picture. Sunny, I just want you to focus on the first picture. Look at them. What are they doing, Sunny?
are eating breakfast.
Very good. What are they having for breakfast?
They having the noodles or even even something. I don't know. On on this on this bowl. What
All
are
right.
these?
So I want you to look at this. Oh, this one, you said it's noodles. So that's right. So they're having some noodles. Okay. And they are having other food that they put inside this bowl. So
And
what
they have
kinds
a
of food? Yeah,
and they bring two glasses like in it have coca. Now I have to draw
yes,
coca.
great. Okay, so I want you to look at the dad. How
Here
does he
is
look like?
he's he's have a short hair. He is wearing um a blue shirt and a blue pants, and he is also wearing green shorts.
That's right. Very good, Sunny. Okay, now what about the mom? Okay, how does she look like?
She have a curly hair, and she is smiling at her din uh, at her breakfast because she feels very yummy, and she is also wearing a green shirt, a green dress, a green dress shirt,
Very
and
good.
she is very intelligent.
Wow, great job. Why do you say that she's very intelligent?
Hmm, I I know that because any woman have many feelings, so I feel she is happy. Maybe she is very intelligent.
Oh, so that is just what do we call it? Assumption. So we assume that this woman is intelligent. But you know what, Sunny? You cannot actually tell if a person is intelligent unless if you talk to them. Yeah. But if you just look at the picture, then you can it's if you especially if you don't know that person, you cannot tell that she's intelligent, but you can actually say that she looks very intelligent. It's probably because of how she presents herself like that. Yes. Okay.
I know.
Just like you and me, if we don't talk, can you tell that I am rude? Yes, you can tell because of my action. Yeah. But can you tell that I'm lazy?
No, I'm not lazy.
No, unless if you really see me being lazy. Can you tell that I'm
Um,
a good cook?
um, uh,
Yes or no? Can you tell by just looking at me that I'm a good cook?
yes, maybe that.
No. You cannot tell that I'm a good cook unless if you tried some of the foods that I prepared. So yeah, we cannot actually
No.
judge someone whether
Mm,
by just looking at the picture. We have to speak to them, be with them, spend time with them like that to
I
tell
don't
that
know.
someone is intelligent. Yeah?
No. But I just tell her that because I see her is very happy, have a very curly hair, and why she is intelligent and because very intelligent.
Oh yes, I
Nothing is
understand that one. That
invisible.
yes, all right. So I understand that one, Sunny. Yes, so by just her look, you can tell that she's intelligent. All right, Sunny. So, Sunny, it's already time. So, thank you so much for joining our class this morning. So, I'll be seeing you tomorrow. So, for today, Sunny, you've got 15 stars. So, have a great day,
Okay.
Sunny. Goodbye.
Bye bye, teacher. Bye bye.
Goodbye.